Let's start with the Homebrew installation. We are installing Homebrew on new MacBook Air. It has a M5 chip. You can see in the system settings. You can check the new MacBook version in this icon. Click here, go to about this Mac. Here you can check MacBook Air 13-inch M5 chip. It's a silicon M5 chip. What is Homebrew? Homebrew is a package manager for macOS. It's help you install software with simple commands. You can go to Homebrew using brew.sh. You will get this PPT also in the description and in comment section. Go to Chrome browser, type brew.sh, go to homebrew.com. Here you can just need to copy this command using this icon. Now it's copied. Just type command space, Spotlight will open. Type terminal, enter. You will able to see terminal here. Type command V, the copied command will appear here. Type enter. It will ask you for the password. Type your password. Type enter. It will ask you to enter again. Type enter. It start downloading. It will take, depending on your internet speed, 2 to 5 minutes. I am pausing this video and I will be resuming it after download complete. After the installation, it will ask you two more steps. I already installed Homebrew, that's why it's not asked. It will ask you to evolve commands to copy it and paste it in the terminal and then press enter. After that, Homebrew is installed. You can check if brew is installed using brew space dash dash version, enter. You can see Homebrew version out here. Now you are able to install Homebrew. Why Homebrew is required? Think of it like Homebrew is like a app store for developer but control from the terminal. And you know, app store is not having all the programming content or applications commands, so you need Homebrew. How to install other application using Homebrew? Magic commands: brew install Python, brew install cask, Visual Studio. Anything which is a application, interface application, you need to add a cask out here. What can we install using Homebrew? Python, Git, Node.js, terminals, anything which is needed. Why developer love this? Because it saves time, easy update, easy uninstall, keep your Mac developer ready. How to uninstall Homebrew? Just you need to change it install to uninstall and copy this command to your terminal and you are done. That's it. You are ready to go.